So this is near the Senegalese highway, just outside my village, Sade Bogal. We got a really great rain last night, more than 4 hours of heavy rain. Hearing two different type of frogs. One sounds like like a bigger frog, and then the more constant ones sound like chorus frogs or spring peepers we have in Wisconsin. I just realized the flowers I've been smelling. Incredible. So I'm just going to it's a hornbill. There's only two type of hornbills I've seen. This is the common type, and then there's another one. It's really big ground hornbill. They're just gigantic. I've only seen them in Senegal. They've got just a really I think they're black, and then they've got like a big red neck. Just giant, amazing birds. They're pretty common from what I can tell in Senegal and like the wilder areas. And then these smaller hornbills are all over the place.